if you want what you've always had, then continue doing what you've always done. Pero si boke algo nuevo, si boke break out of your pattern, then this is the way to do it. I'm not giving you the diet, kung hindi sabi sa gibuding come. I'm teaching you how to decide what you want to eat. And this is a skill you learn once, and you take it with you the rest of your life. And you can apply it to anything in your life. It changes the way you make decisions, and you will be happier because you get to decide what that means for you for the first time. Because a lot of our behavior is just learned. We just automatically do it, and I help get you out of that autopilot, and to get into the cockpit, deciding where do I want to go, how do we get there, how do I fly this thing, and to like you're gonna be cruising for the rest of your life. Cool, off seeing me. Yeah, that's it. I don't know if it's been a minute.
That's fire.
That's good.